logical expressions or in Google Sheets. How does it work? Hey, my name is Gaille. I'm Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. On my website, I have Looker Studio template store with different templates for marketing, and I have really nice blog with information about Google Sheets, Looker Studio, and digital marketing in general. Please subscribe to my blog. I have emails once per month, so it's not a lot, and hopefully you will like it. But let's go back to Google Sheets and our OR logical function. What does it mean, OR? This is a simple function, actually. If we write it in Google Sheets, we have like logical expression 1, logical expression 2, and as many as you want. What does it mean, logical expression? In logical expression, we can check if our cell is equal something or greater or less something, or it could be any complex calculations here actually. But it should be equal or greater or less or not equal something. For example, we can write our cell B2 is not equal paid social. It is not equal. It is equal. So we will return. We will see false. False. It is not paid social. But let's fix this cell. But our email, B3 email, it is not paid social, and this is why we have true. Also, we can add as many logical expressions as we want. For example, we checked if it is not paid social, but for example, if this customer is returning. Let's fix this. You can press F4 and it will fix the cell, log the cell. We have two options. Our column B is not paid social, and column C, it is returning. What do we have here? We have true. What do we have here? True. This is paid social, and we're checking if it is not paid social. But our column C3, it is returning. That's what we're checking. So one of our condition is true. Not all of them. At least even one of this logical expression is correct. This function will return true. So in this case, it is not paid social, and it is not. It is returning. Here we have true, but this is new customer, but channel is not paid social. So if we apply this, we can have false only if it is paid social, and new only in one case we will have false in this formula. Also, we can add here conditions to calculate like some numbers. So this is less than 50,000. And in this case we have even less option when it can be false, because here we have false because it's paid social and new, and transaction revenue 26,000, and our condition minus less than 50,000. So if we apply this formula here, it will be true because this condition is working here. But true and false, it is not super nice things to operate. That is why we can use if function next to or, and in this case, instead of true and false, we can write whatever we want, or even separate formula. For example, if all condition, any of this condition is true, we can divide our revenue by 10. Otherwise, we put 0. You see, we divided this number by 10. So we have everywhere we have true. So we divide our total transaction revenue by 10. That is it, what I want to tell you about OR function. Use it together with if. Please write comment below this video if you like it or if you have some question. Don't forget to give like to this video, subscribe to my channel, to my blog, and talk to you soon.